Folks, St. Paul Steam here with the smallest offering Jensen has, which is the 85. And I've taken some liberties with this, as I'm known to do. And put Teflon gaskets in the ring there. Put 2 roller ball bearings in the axle mount. Insulated the firebox with flame-proof insulation. Reshot the firebox with very high temperature burnt copper paint. Inside and out. Reshot, actually bead blasted the base and painted it one of my favorite colors, which is a light hammer tone blue, kind of a Jensen offering there, and it's also painted on the bottom. Looks good on the bottom as it does on the top. And she runs a treat. She'll run on about 2 pounds and up, and it's not broke in yet. And we're going to run it on air in a minute. Quite sure to run well on steam, but I just don't want to clean up the mess right now. So just give me a second, I'll hook the air line up to it. Okay, we're back. And there's 2 pounds right there. She runs like a little sewing machine. Let's run her up a little bit. There's 5. Okay, I'm going to try something here. Let's put a generator in the mix. See if she'll power. This is a roller ball bearing generator, so it's a little easier to turn over. Let's see if the old 85, it's not supposed to, per Jensen catalog, run it, but I believe she will. And of course it does. I'm not struggling at all, really. These 85s like to run. Turn it on. And that's running at 10 pounds. There's about 12. Anyway, thanks for looking, folks. Hope you enjoyed it. I always do. It's always a pleasure to have somebody watching alongside with me. Bye now.